everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brittany Christina of the Brittany Christina collection, and as you can tell by the title of this video, I am moving. There's been so many transitions and changes happening, but I am moving out of this apartment, which I love so much, and moving on to bigger and better. So I failed to do an empty apartment tour before I moved in, so I am doing one now. So let's jump right in. I live in a 1-bedroom, 1-bath loft, which I definitely enjoyed using the extra space. The kitchen has granite countertops and all stainless steel appliances, which are very nice to use, very easy to clean. I love the white cabinets. It just brightens up the space so much. And the kitchen is a pretty great size for the size of the apartment. So I definitely enjoyed cooking and all of that counter space. Loved it. The bathroom was definitely one of my favorite places within the apartment. It was just such an amazing size. All of the fixtures and the tiles, the floors, the countertops, everything was very modern, which I really enjoyed. And there was so much drawer space. Like, I didn't even use up all the drawers. We do have a linen closet, which was a pretty nice size. Definitely fit a lot of stuff in there. And then the bathroom also had the washer and dryer located inside of it. I really appreciated the open floor plan of the apartment. As you can see, there is a walk-through closet, which was nice. So the walk-through closet connects the bedroom to the bathroom, which was one of my favorite features for sure. The bedroom was also a pretty good size. I think initially when I saw it, I thought it was like gonna be super small, but it actually turned out to be pretty good. I did do a fully furnished tour of the apartment, so if you did not get a chance to check that out, I'm gonna link it above so that you can see how I actually decorated the space. Again, another favorite feature are these tall ceilings. I love natural light, and so having the tall ceilings with the double window was a fave. This apartment, I believe, is 929 square feet, so it was definitely a pretty good size. And I mean, the price that we paid for it, it was a steal based on the extra amenities. This is the loft area. This is where I pretty much created this into my design studio. It actually looks super small, so I am very surprised at the amount of stuff that I was able to get in here. I had about 5 mannequins, I had a whole desk, I had a mirror, I had like 2 or 3 clothing racks. It was ridiculous, but I really enjoyed having this space. It worked out well, just making it separate from our actual living space, because I do work on a lot of client projects. This closet was really good too. I thought it was going to be small, but it's actually very deep. So not only do you see the space that's in front of you, but then it's probably about 2 or 3 feet deeper on both sides. So definitely a lot of storage space for sure, which was much needed as you can see in the clip in the beginning of this video. Yeah, I really enjoyed the apartment overall. Over there, that's just where the heater was, but yeah, this apartment was super nice, and you know, I'm really glad that I was able to be here for my first apartment. Definitely moving on to bigger and better, but definitely make sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, just to continue to follow my journey and, you know, all of the things that I have coming next. So I will see you all in the next video.